And today I'm going to show you how to make fish with carrots and okra in the oven. Now, I've got a really simple technique for doing this, but I love to use parchment paper. It helps to keep all of the flavor in without using a lot of extra fat, and it makes a gorgeous presentation on the plate. So first, I'm going to take a white fish like the one that I have here, which is a cod. You could use any wild-caught fish that you like, including halibut, for example. And then I've also got some fresh okra and sliced carrots. You know I love my lemons, so I've got some lemon slices. You can use lime or orange too. And then I'm going to season it with a little bit of salt, some black pepper, and some oregano. It'll give it a little Greek style. Then I'm going to place all of those ingredients into my parchment bag and bake it in the oven at 400 degrees for about 10 to 15 minutes until the vegetables get tender and the flesh of the fish is nice and opaque. I'll transfer that onto my plate, open the bag, and voila, dinner is served. It's a delicious way to enjoy your fish and vegetables all in one tidy little package. Try it out and let me know what you think.